Okay, so let's load this thing up. That actually
And he's gone. Thing's smoking pretty good.
has a little bit more power.
She blew a couple O-rings.
Yeah. Is it still recording? You started it a few times again?
No.
That's all at the same time?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm getting off the, ring pretty quick pushing it like that. So for diesel fuel, that's full bore at the end there. And at third gear, that's a lot of, is that all for me?
Yep. Yeah.
Oh, well, yeah.
You should force so far.
It was chooching pretty good. And very little coming at me except for when I was turning around. So I lost traction. Third gear, it actually spins its tires when I take off right away. But yeah,
Fun to watch.
it is. Brakes work good here. Locked them right up. Okay. I think I'll put her away for now. So all I did so far was pretty much that exhaust. Just so it's not blowing right back at me.
How did the riveting go?
It went fine.
Okay.
Yep. It's just a little warm now, just a bit. That was third gear high range the entire time at the end. That is friggin' sweet. And yeah, she chooches. Oh my God, look way over there on the road there. Do you see that? Yep. That's way, way down the road. Because it chooched the best when I turned around, of course. Nah, because I'll never be actually pushing it like that.
Yeah.
Well, that's all I'm getting done for today. So the throttle's hooked up. And
Played around with the clutch pulley and a few other little things on it, but that's it. Now it's dark, running into town, and that's it for this weekend. Oh, it's getting dark.